Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by laying the watch face down on a soft cloth so nothing scratches it. Press and hold one of the small band release buttons on the case. This unlocks the rail that holds the strap. While holding the button, slide the band piece sideways out of the slot with steady pressure. Don't yank, because the rail needs even force to clear the groove. Repeat for the opposite side. Once both halves slide free, the watch is ready for the new strap. Once a half of the old band is out, inspect the new band's metal rails and the case grooves to ensure no dust or lint. That matters because even small debris prevents the lock. Slide one end of the replacement band into its groove at a slight angle, then push straight until you feel a click indicating it's seated. Repeat with the other half. Once both clicks are confirmed, tug each side gently to verify secure attachment before wearing. Finish by confirming both band pieces produce a firm click and resist a light tug. That click is your safety check. If a piece won't slide in, press the release button fully while trying a slightly different angle. Often alignment fixes it. For stuck rails, gently clean the groove with a soft brush or compressed air and retry. Do not use sharp metal tools because you can bend the rail. If the button sticks or the rail is damaged, stop and contact Apple support.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.